The Good Birds Nah Dinosaurs Funny Dino t-shirt is a bold and humorous apparel piece designed for anyone who enjoys witty, eye-catching graphics with a playful twist on prehistoric themes. This shirt takes a simple idea, comparing birds and dinosaurs, and turns it into a funny, modern statement that instantly grabs attention, featuring a creative design that highlights that dinosaurs are better joke. It appeals to fans of sarcasm, paleontology humor, and unique streetwear-style graphics. Whether you wear it casually at home, out with friends, or to themed events, this t-shirt is made to spark conversations and bring a smile to those around you. Its design is perfect for dinosaur lovers of all ages who appreciate light-hearted humor mixed with bold visual style. It also works great as a gift for birthdays, holidays, or anyone who enjoys quirky animal-themed or science-inspired fashion.